Hi everyone, I'm Naomi from GR4 and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside your Father's Day packs that you've picked up from us. So you should receive a bag like this. It's got a little slip on the front. This will direct you to where the video is. Inside your pack you will have a number of items to decorate in your own way for Father's Day. So I'm going to go through them, and for things that you need to make, I'll show you how to do that. But the decorating is all down to you and your creativity and what you want to do. So inside your pack you will have a packet of felt tip pens and a glue stick. This is for your decorating and your sticking. You've got a certificate. So if you want to colour that in and write down who you want to give it to and the reason that they're amazing, you can do that. You've got a little keyring inside. So there's different styles. You may not have this one, but you should all receive a keyring. So you're probably best to use your colours to decorate your keyring how you want to decorate it. But equally, if there's any of your stickers or anything left at the end, then you can use that and stick that on there as well. You've got a card with an envelope. Again, decorate it exactly how you want to with your colours and your stickers. You've got a crown to give to the special man that you want to on Father's Day. You'll have a little bag inside like this. Inside that bag you will have, some stickers like this on a roll, and then some 3D stickers, if you can see just down here. So we've got some stars and then some slippers, and again you might have different ones, you might not have what's here, but they will be similar to what's here. You've also got a little photo frame card, so you can pop your favourite photo of you and whoever you want to inside there, decorate the frame, and then on the back we've popped in 2 little magnets that will be inside your little bag. If you just peel off the white backings off the back of the magnets, stick them onto the back of your frame, and then you'll be able to stick that onto a fridge or a radiator or whatever metal surface you require. So most of it is pretty much designing yourself. However, I just need to show you quickly. We've put inside a little medal that's going to sit around a neck. So I just need to show you how to make this quickly. So you've got 2 circles inside and you've got a long strip of ribbon. So if you decorate your circles, just decorate one side on each, or just one side of one if you want to. And then what you want to do is put them so your decorated sides are face down. And then if you get your glue stick, this is a new one so it might not be amazing, just put a dab of glue into the centre of the circle. Get your ribbon, so make sure it's nice and straight, and stick it onto the glue. And then you want to put some more glue on top. Again, make sure your ribbon's nice and straight, and then just fold it over and down. Glue it down. Some more glue. And then get your circle. Make sure that the decorated side is facing up, so you don't want to glue that down so you can't see it. And stick that down on top. And then you will have a medal to pop around your neck, which will be beautifully decorated in however you wanted to decorate it. So you've got lots of stickers, like I said, and foam bits inside. So we've provided these mainly for the cards, the medal, and your photo frame. However, if you've got any left at the end, we're happy for you to stick them on your crown, on your keyring, or on your certificate. So I'm not going to show you how to do any decorating, because this is about you being creative and you doing it exactly how you want to do it. So if you could send us some pictures when you've done them all, that would be really great. And make sure you wish your dads and the men in your life a very happy Father's Day.